it's me Marita with another video. So I'm here with my simple how to make rice water recipe. It is not hard at all. I went to the store, I bought some white rice. I was trying to find organic, but I was not able to find the organic, so I just got regular white rice. I came home, rinsed it off. Just because it's not organic, that's the only reason why I rinsed it, just in case there's any dirt or whatever is on there. And I found a pickle jar, an old pickle jar, just because you have to have something that has a tight lid. So I'm just gonna transfer this rice to the pickle jar, and yeah, we're gonna go from there. So I'm just scooping it out into the pickle jar, and then you can see the little water that I rinsed it with still in there. But and then once I do that, I'm just gonna add some purified water to it, and yeah, so enjoy the video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please take this time to subscribe. And I'm not gonna apply this to my hair today. I'm not washing my hair today, but when I do apply it, I'm gonna come back and show you all how I put it in my hair. So if you want to see that, you have to be subscribed so you can get the notification. Stay tuned. Okay. Once you get all of the rice in the jar, it's now time to add the water. I was trying to do 2 cups of water to the ratio of the 1 cup of rice. Yeah, by the way, I did do one cup of rice, and 2 cups of water would not fit in this jar. Only a cup and a half could fit in this jar. But as long as the water covers and completely covers the rice, and you have enough to cover your hair to put the treatment on. So here you have your rice water. It's ready to sit and ferment. I'm gonna let this sit and ferment until it smells sour. And once it smells sour, I'm going to transfer it to a spray bottle and put it in the refrigerator so they can stop fermenting. And then it can be ready for me to use when I'm ready to wash my hair and do my rice water rinse. I was thinking about doing it as a leave-in. They say you can dilute it a little more to do as a leave-in, but right now I'm just gonna use it as a rinse after I wash and condition my hair. So if you are interested in trying the rice water challenge, or just trying it at all, let me know and we can do this thing together. I'll show my length, and when I'm done doing it after so many weeks, I'm just gonna see where I am. But you can see just that quickly how milky that water is after mixing the water with it. So thanks so much for watching, y'all. I'll see you in another one. Bye.